Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I have the Amy Tangerine and also Elizabeth Crafts new dies and stamp. So I'm going to show you Amy Tangerine. She had made some stamps and I pre-ordered it, and if you pre-ordered she would give you a gift, and the gift was this stickers, and it's Winter Wonder stickers from Amy Tangerine. So that's how that looks. Loving the blues in here. Very pretty. And then this is her first one. And it says Craft the Life You Love, clear stamps made in the USA, Amy Tangerine. So this one says Jumping for Joy, OMG, make it magical, we are family, heck yes, beautiful, miss you like crazy, all of the above and more, wonderful, how sweet, good for the soul, love, a little star, our friends, what matters most, let it be messy, love you heaps, sunshine in human form, lucky, and then can't take the cuteness, and perfection and truly the best. And I think I see here it says Amy Tangerine words #1. So that's kind of cute. And this one, does it have? No, this one doesn't have it either. Okay, these Amy Tangerine words #2. So here's this one says love this, all the feels, you are the best, shine bright, wonderful, we are the lucky ones, what a time to be alive, enjoying the view, remember this, good times keep rolling, hope for tomorrow, joy, XOXO, make dreams a reality, love, bigger, brighter, better, more life-giving moments like this, and then let sunny optimism shine, blah, we're really doing this, ever so grateful, and glimmers and gratitude, LOL, and okay. And then the last one is looking for Amy Tangerine Icons 1. So we have the camera, the plane, the coffee, the book, the ramen, tacos, we have the palm tree, movie, pizza, cake, running with the sneaker, backpacking, art, nail polish, basketball, travel, okay, a little cupcake, shopping, bike, volleyball, love, bubble tea, home, and mail, computer, and washing, and eating, and a scissor, and a football, and a bike. So that's cute. So these are icons 1. So that is it for Amy Tangerine. Now I'm going to show you Elizabeth Crafts. I did get the new dies, the cute little mousey set. And this one is CS387 Mice Sentiments. That's how that looks. And they're designed by Josette. And then this one is the boot. See the boot. And then this is the little mouse, 2204. This one is 2208. And these are the mouse. So you can make her and him. And then these are the big mouse. These were the little mouse. This is the big mouse. And this is 2203. And those are the dies. And then this one is 2207. And that's cute. She's getting married. And he has a suit on. And then the cake with the hearts. So that comes with all of that to dress them up. And then this one is to dress up also. This one is 2205. Which I don't know what I want to use. It was in the set, so it came. It was cheaper to buy the set than individually. So this one is 2206 fall accessories. So you get accessories for the little one and the larger mouse. So cute. So you get the umbrella, the hats, and then you get the rain jacket for the little mouse and the rain jacket for the bigger mouse. So that's cute. And that's the hat for the little mouse, and that's the hat for the bigger mouse. So that is cute. You get the acorn, you get the pumpkin, you get the scarf and the hat, and the cup with hot chocolate. And then these are the buttons, because you have the buttons there and here. So those are tiny little buttons. So that is the set from Elizabeth Crafts design. So let me show you my Peachy cheat. I did get 2 sets, because I'm giving away one on my giveaway. So this was, they are from Recollections. So it's 12 sheets of this same color. So the back is plain. So you get, I got that one. I got this one. And it's 12 sheets, and they are 40 pounds each. And then this cute one. This one, I don't know how much is the pounds on this one. So, and then this one. Again, 40 pounds. And then this one. Lavender. And then these I'm going to put in my giveaway for 10 years in YouTube. So these will go to my giveaway. I will let you know when that happens. And of course you have to be a subscriber of mine. So that is that. And then my silhouette. He gave me a cutting mat, because I'm in the subscription, and a silhouette blade. So, and then I did get my monthly kit from Heidi Swap. I'm not doing the stamp, the large stamp. I'm just doing the stuff, the blur kit. So again, you get the bag, get the Tell Your Story bag. I did not have a chance to open this, so I think I'll open it with you. So it's the washi, and it has Enjoy, Happy Day, and then some stripes. So that's how that looks. And then these little file folders, but it's in acetate. And then it comes with a sticker where you could put here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You get 6. And then this is to put right there. And then you get these cards that I believe fits inside. Here. Yep, it fits right in there. So you get this light peach. You get 1, 2, 3 black. You get orange. You get another black. And then you get another dark orange. So then you get these words, and they are like little file tabs. This one says October, and they do Nope, they don't open. October. New. This and yes. So that's cute. And again, you get your alphas, a green and an orange. These stickers that are flags or a banner. And there's different banners in different colors. So you get 3 in black, that peach, that orange, and that darker green. Another sticker. This one says, love you, smile, so busy. Take a break, family fun together. Let's go, everything's better together. Hello, enjoy, don't forget to have fun. Fun times, have fun. October reset, and take time to take time. And then you have these checks here in different colors. Then the stamp is a little library pocket with the card, which I like. I'm liking the little one. I do have the larger one from her, but I think I'm going to be using that one. And I did get the stamp to match the die. Out. So noisy. So this is the October release, and this says number, the little circle that you could put there, some lines that you could put on the library card, and then noted, some flags, a little line, and some little page protector stamp, handle with care, information and details. So information and details in a circle. So that's cute. So that's my Heidi swap. And then I'm looking around to make sure I don't leave anything behind. I have scrapbook.com. So let me move this to the side over here. Let me move that. And then I did scrapbook.com. And I bought this stamp, which I think she is adorable. It's Picket Fence Studios, and this one is Picket Fence Studios Kaylee Boo S118, and this one has have a bubbly day, happy birthday, but I don't use that, forever and ever and ever and ever. When life brings you troubles, blow lots of bubbles. So that's cute. I fell in love with her. So that's that one. Then they gave me again this, and then Alta New, get cozy and creative, bring warm and beauty of fall to your craft room. And then Perfect Picker, I already had that. It's a pumpkin patch stamp, die, stencil, and 3D embossing folder, and some sentiment strips. Zero Waste Autumn Leaves, Crafty Necessities cardstock. And that is that. I think. And of course, the famous card, you call it emptiness, I call it New Craft Studio. Definitely. So I did get this for free. I did my order, some Pink Fresh, and it's Clear Drops Ice, item number PF121ES. And they're so cute. Got that. I got this for free. 2 more of their stacking trays. And I got this for free. It's some ghosts, but I'm gonna put it in Happy Mail. Then I picked up the correct one, which is this one here. The other two, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. the other three because it's three of them. Hopefully this one is the correct one for my Tangerine 2. This one is clear stackable storage container for bottles. And I believe it is the correct one. I'm going to break this just in case I need to bring it back. Where is my... I don't know where they're at. I don't know where I put them. They disappeared in my desk. Wow. That's just crazy. I cannot find my pops of colors, so sheesh, where are my pops of color? Okay, but I think it's the correct one for my pops of color, so I got two of those. There. Then I picked up this, and it is the Fab file dimension, 19 pieces in here, and I did one, and it's a little box where you could put your pictures, and it comes with a little card here and a card here, and you could put it like this away in your drawer or shelf. But it has some files inside with notes, and it has tabs where this goes here, and you can write what are the pictures for. And I like the dimension that it's open, that you could put the photos inside here, and then you put them in here, and they are nice and neat. So, oops, sorry. So that's kind of nice. So I got two of them for my photos. And that is it. And I have some happy mail from Alexandra L that it's been sitting here and I totally forgot about it. I said I was going to do a video the very next day, but it's been a week already. And I haven't been in my craft room because I threw everything in my craft room, all of my items that I bought. And I see the box and I'm like, I haven't even opened it. So that will be my next video after this. So stay tuned for that video. And as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you are not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out in future videos like this. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.